guys, it's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we're going to be making 3 easy quarantine recipes.
The first one is goulash, and then we're going to do Jello roll-ups and also copycat Dole whip.
These are just some really easy things you can make as a family while in quarantine that don't require a lot of ingredients, and they're cheap and they're quick, so they're perfect if you're stuck inside. If you like this video, be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more recipes.
Okay, let's get started. Okay. First we're going to be making strawberry Jello roll-ups. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you need 1 cup of boiling water, and you want to put it in a microwave safe dish. So I've got 2 small boxes of Jello, or you can use 1 large box. So I'm going to dissolve it in the 1 cup of boiling water. If you have trouble getting it to dissolve, you can stick it in the microwave for 30 seconds. This looks like it's going to dissolve pretty good. Now we're going to add 2 cups of mini marshmallows. Stir, and then we're going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and get those melted. It's a really easy recipe. The kids might enjoy making it while they're home being bored. So I took it out of the microwave. They didn't melt that much. I'm going to put it in for another 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and spray a 9 by 13. Make sure you spray it, because once they set up, we're going to put it in the fridge for about an hour. Once it sets up, then it's got to come out of this pan and we'll roll them up. We're going to go ahead and pour it in the dish. Now it goes in the refrigerator for at least an hour. If you had room and you want to put it in the freezer, it'd probably only take a half hour. So we'll be back with you. Okay, here's our Jello roll-up. You just want to go around it with the knife, just loosen it up a little, and then just start rolling from one end. And then I'm going to put it out on a cutting board. Okay, then just want to slice them. Get your pinwheel. Okay, now we're going to make our goulash. It's just an old-fashioned recipe. It's cheap, easy, goes a long ways. So we got about 2 pounds of ground beef we're browning, and it has onion in it. Just want to put a small chopped onion and fry that together. And then in the meantime, I've got the pasta over here. Just do it according to the directions on the box. Okay, our pasta's ready to drain. This is 1 pound of the elbow macaroni. If you'd rather use shells or some other pasta, that's okay, but 1 pound. So we're going to drain it. Then I'm going to put it back in the same cooker. And I'm going to drain the hamburger. Do it in the same strainer. It's fine. Got a bowl under there to catch the grease. I'm just going to dump it in with the macaroni. So then we're going to add 3 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. So the second time I've made this since we've been quarantined. Okay, so then we're going to add, also I had salted the meat, but you can, do the salt to your taste. But we're going to add just a little bit of spices. Just going to do like a teaspoon of basil. And just put some garlic powder in here. Just a little bit. That's all I had left. But, you know, just do it to your taste. And I'm going to do about a teaspoon of sugar. And then just, you know, if you like it sweeter, then just add more, and you may need more salt. And just, it's ready to eat. Don't want to simmer it too long because it'll get too dry and mushy. So, but as soon as it heats up again, it's pretty much ready. It's very easy. Now we're going to do a copycat Dole whip. We're going to just make it in the magic bullet. This is probably 1 or 2 servings, so if you're going to make a lot, you might want to use a blender. So we're going to start out with 1/4 cup of pineapple juice, and then we have 10 ounces of chunk pineapple frozen. Whoops. And then 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream. Okay, and then we'll put this on and okay, that's all there is to it.
Okay guys, we're back and all of our food is done.
Turned out great. It only took us about 1 hour and 15 minutes to make all 3 of them. So it'll be something good you can do with your family. Of course, we got our milk. So we like milk. What do we want to try next? I think it would be neat to do a bunch of different recipes at the same time. And then, you know, have the whole plate full of all different colors.
Right.
Yeah, hopefully it won't be too much longer. Things will be open back up and enjoy being with our family right now. I think I need to tell a blonde joke.
Okay.
This is about a blonde man. He yelled to his wife. He was in the shower, and he yelled to his wife that he didn't know what to do because the shampoo said for dry hair, and he'd already wet his hair. So, that was dumb.
Yeah, it was.
Don't put that one on.
Okay, so that's it for our quarantine recipes video. If you like this video, make sure to leave it a like, and maybe we'll do a part 2 with some more quarantine recipes. Also leave a comment letting us know what you want to see next. And be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video. And we will see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye.